I'm ready to get wild. Oh. Hey guys, I know it's been a while. I missed y'all. I haven't posted in a long time, but today I'm gonna be showing you how I put on my long, fluffy lashes. Maybe you want to wear this on a night out, or maybe you don't want to wear makeup but you still want to feel fierce. Yes, girl, this is for you. This video right here. Now, the way I put them on, I have minimal glue, so I'm able to actually sleep in these lashes. I know, what? It sounds crazy, but I've been doing this since freshman year of high school. I'm now a freshman in college, and I'm doing physics on. I'm so sorry. Okay, anyways, I hope you guys enjoy this video, and let me know what you think down in the comments. Hey guys, okay, so we're just gonna get right into it. Let's see what we need. We need eyelashes. Ooh, okay. Mwah, mwah. Okay, and we need this. Do not buy this. This is a dark adhesive. It is not good. Get one for $9.99, even a $5.95, whatever, from Walmart. Just don't get this. This is straight dookie. For $2.99, you get dookie. Don't get it. Okay. And so this is a light adhesive, Salon Perfect. And with the light adhesive, we need some black eyeliner. Hey. Okay, so what else? Well, I'm looking. What am I looking for? Oh, tweezers. Hey. Okay, so we have our tweezers. Pluck. Yes, we know. We know what tweezers are for. Oh, bobby pin. That won't be shown again. I don't know why I did that. Okay. Oh, the stinking dark adhesive. Yeah, give me a second. Yes. This, yeah. No. She even knew. I knew. Oh, but here we go. Okay. Squeeze. Oh. Oh my gosh. Twist. And okay. Oh my lord, a lot of blowing. She just told us to wait. Okay, what are we waiting for? Oh, I remember this part. No, we're speeding it up. Yep, let's blow through this part. That was not good. Okay. See, I was even up sweat at the end of that. Okay, we are ready. At least I think I'm ready, but little do I know. Did that black adhesive done work? Let's watch. I want you guys to watch this, to watch my agony. Oh, look at me. I'm already like, maybe I can make it work. No, hunty, you can't make it work. It's not gonna work, my child. Oh, see, it's not even sticking. It's not sticking. Once again, y'all, spend your money right on the adhesive. Because your girl could be flying away with these eyelashes already, but no. It was water, whatever that thing was. I don't know. They joked me. I remember being in the store like $2.99. Whoa. Yeah, girl, just got a deal. No, look at me struggling. Oh, I brought the tweezers into it too. Just to think, I put so much energy and faith into this adhesive. My skills are not subpar. It's the adhesive. That could even be a song. My skills are not subpar. Oh, it's the adhesive. It's okay. We can start over. Take 2. Hey, I got my white adhesive. I'm ready to get wild. Oh. Sorry about the turbulence, everyone. But now, I just like to place my eyelash onto my own eyelash line and pinch at the outer corner. And I'll do the same thing to the inner corner. And it's a back and forth thing until it's nicely arc shaped arch shaped. You know what? Let me just be an alien. How about that? Anyways, I bring my tweezers in to help it actually sit on my lash line. See, the key is once you create that good arc by, guiding with your fingers, you solidify that with the tweezers. And that creates a seamless, flawless glow coming from your eyes. Now, you don't have to do long dramatic eyelashes like I do, but I personally just like to blow people away when I blink, literally. So don't come around me with an umbrella because you will be sucked into the sky or blown into the sky. Ooh, oh, it looks like torture, doesn't it? But you know what they say, beauty is pain. Now what you see me doing is just pushing the eyelashes to the edges, so it kind of makes a cat look. So I don't really need eyeliner, because I have kind of a, what is that? Facade. It's a facade. It looks like she has a eyeliner on, but she doesn't. It's her eyelashes. Can I just apologize real quick for my eyebrows? I'm sorry about my eyebrows. And for not being snatched in general. But hey, this video is about when you're not snatched, how you can feel snatched in the inside. Now, I know you guys are thinking, oh wow, Sierra, you're just gonna lie to us like that? I see you right there, you putting eyeliner right now, you just said it was a facade, you weren't gonna put no, but no, you guys, okay. This eyeliner is to solely make the lash line black because I use the white adhesive. So that just makes everything kind of come together.
That's good.
So I guess I'm showing you here, oh, you can still rock glasses and wear your lashes. I show you 3 levels and bam, look at that. You can wear glasses very comfortably and not have your lashes hit that glass, because I know that can be very annoying. You can still be a scholar, but also be fancy. Holla! Thanks for sticking around, guys, and watching my how-to on how to rock long fluffy lashes. If you want to see how I created these lashes, because they are definitely compromised from the original, then just put a comment down there and I'll try to get that video up for you guys, because I don't want y'all going out looking a mess, buying lashes that ain't right. You gotta fix that up, spruce it up so it's ready for your eye specifically, because everyone's eye is different. So if you want to see that video, just give it a little thumbs up, let me know, communicate with your girl. But yes, I hope you enjoyed, and please subscribe for more. Let me know what I'm doing is good, and if you guys want to see some more. So yeah, I hope you guys have a great day, and toodaloo. Hey, if you guys like this video, maybe you'll like my other stuff. Here are 2 videos for you. One is my last video, and the other is my last video, my pre-last video. Let me know if you enjoy. Okay guys, for real, toodaloo.